Forming joints in M-stone is as simple as using natural stone. Just butt them together. The long beveled front edge of one worktop is abutted by the short edge of another to form a neat V groove. M-stone is totally waterproof, but at the joints we recommend that colour matching BB Complete is used to waterproof any seams and protect the furniture beneath. Joining edges must be beveled, although cut edges don't need finishing. Just follow the installation guide or watch the video on cutting. To form a joint, ensure both mating faces are thoroughly cleaned using white spirit and are wiped dry. Apply 1 or 2 3mm beads of BB Complete to the mating edge of the final worktop. Draw the worktops together, ideally using suction pads, and ensure a good squeeze out of adhesive. If necessary, you can apply a bead of BB Complete to the resulting V-groove on top of the face. Using a soft scraper, remove any excess BB Complete, wipe clean with white spirit and allow to cure for 24 hours. For diagonal corner solutions, joints can be cut using a circular saw. Bisecting the joint angle is not always necessary and should be followed by seaming with BB Complete in each instance. Where the worktop abuts a tall carcass, it isn't actually necessary to bevel and finish along the full length. However, if the short edge extends past the carcass, it will look more professional if it is beveled and finished. Fix M-stone in place using BB Complete rather than trying to screw down the work surface. This avoids the risk of splitting. Always allow a 3 to 4mm expansion gap at the rear edge and ends finishing at a wall. When butting up to a tall housing, edges can be in contact. Perform a dry fit and check for any necessary shimming to produce level joints. M-stone has a thickness tolerance of 1mm and may occasionally need packing at joints. HPL edge strips are an ideal shimming material. To fix the front edge, 2 good blobs of BB Complete, approximately 5mm thick by 15mm in diameter, should be applied to the front tie rail of the carcass. In carcasses over 1000mm wide, voids and diagonal corners should have a baton screwed to the wall for necessary support. Position the work surface in place and press down to seat, align and level. For rear fixing, cut 2 timber blocks 50 by 50 and apply 2 beads of BB Complete centrally to both faces. Position the block under the work surface at the junction of the wall, carcass and work surface and allow to cure for 24 hours. Seal where the worktop meets the wall with a bead of BB Complete to make the join waterproof. Again, leave to cure for 24 hours before applying Bushboard Professional worktop polish. This will give the work surface a protective sheen and a beautiful lustre. Stand back and admire. If the area above the surface is to be tiled, use a space strip to produce a 5mm gap above the work surface and then backfill to the wall with BB Complete.